These accordion potatoes make me feel like I'm in a teeny tiny marching band. I don't play any instruments, but if I did, I'd play the Maris pipers. No? Okay, I'll stick to the cooking. Sorry. Anyway, the texture of this is like a potato waffle. Super fluffy and soft on the inside, with a mad lovely crunch on the outside. Slathered in roast garlic butter as well. And if you've never roasted a garlic before, I am telling you, you must. Go and do it now. It transforms the garlic from pungent to almost fudge-like. And there's barely any evidence on your breath because somehow it becomes a sweet little nugget of pure love. Anyway, this recipe is so much fun, so go grab a sack of potatoes and make sure to use the offcuts from a mash or something.